Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you are a returnee, you are warmly welcome. So lovelies, this morning, or let's say afternoon, whichever time that you're watching this video, okay, I'm going to talk about skin perfectors, how to use skin perfectors, the best way to use skin perfectors, and the best skin perfectors right now in the market, okay. And skin perfectors, they have fake, but yes, there are so many skin perfectors right now in the market that you can use and you can try. But I'm going to tell you the ones that I've used and what I feel they work for best. They have their own different fields that they work best, and I'm going to talk about them in this video. And also somewhere along the line in this video, I'm going to show you a recipe that I used some time ago that I used, and it helped very well to have a very good, that kind of golden beautiful skin with skin perfector serum. And I'm going to tell you that skin perfector serum that I use that gave me that beautiful lovely result. Okay, I use it on my own skin, so it's not that something that I sell for someone. I use it on myself. I'm going to tell you the recipe, but let's just go into the video. So the first skin perfector on my list is the skin perfector that is very common, that everybody knows. Like, if you don't know this, I don't know where you are. Okay, if you don't know this, like seriously, if you don't know this, I don't know. So the first one I'm going to talk about is One Skin Perfector Serum 7 days instant clear remover. Some of you misunderstand or take this skin perfector serum to be a knuckle remover just because then they put knuckles, nose, sunburn, and everything here. It's not a knuckle remover, okay? But I've tried this alone to remove knuckles, but this is not going to remove your knuckles alone, okay? If you want to know if something works for that thing, use that thing alone. Do not add anything to that thing, and to find out if it really works, you know if it works, okay? So for this skin perfector serum, it does not really work for knuckles. Let's be honest here, it does not really work for knuckles. But if you want to tell me that you are going to use this for like moisturizing your skin, yes, it does. It does moisturize your skin a lot, like a whole lot. It helps moisturizing your skin, and they said it helps freckles. For freckles, I don't know. It helps blemishes. Yes, it does help with blemishes. They said it's an anti-spot. Well, I don't really know if it's an anti-spot because whenever I'm making my own products, I use anti-spots, other things for anti-spots. So I don't really know if it helps for anti-spots. So no, you can try it out. I'm sure it will help for anti-spot. Then for dark areas, it helps a little dark areas because it kind of like blends your skin. It blends and moisturizes your skin, so it blends the skin out. This is not going to bleach you. The More White Skin Perfector Serum is not a bleaching skin perfector serum. Let's get this straight, okay? Some of you just misunderstand it and feel or think that it's something that's for bleaching. Sorry, it's not bleaching. It's not going to bleach you, but it will help with a little bit lightening and moisturize your skin, make your skin feel uniform and the rest. Yeah, it does that, but it's not a whitening skin perfector serum. And the last one here, they said for discoloration, sorry, second to last, for discoloration, yes, it helps with discoloration. It does. It helps a little bit to some extent. You know, when you have a very nice recipe, I add skin perfector serums to it. It helps, but not with a stupid recipe, mind you. So moisturizing and helps fade. Yes, it moisturizes your skin. Like I said earlier, it moisturizes your skin and it's very good. This used to be my best skin perfector serum, but the reason why I left More White, not that I no longer use it, I used it but before, I love it a lot. The reason why it become why I took it as my second to third best when it comes to skin perfector serum is because I found out that something is wrong with the serum these days. For me, let me explain. I'll tell you why I feel something is wrong. If you look at the front, it said warning. Say if there is no company seal on the packet, do not use. Before the COVID-19 period, More White Skin Perfector Serum used to have a company seal inside the bottle. There's a company tag. I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to explain something for you to see. Okay, as you're seeing, this is the More White Skin Perfector Serum. I need to come closer for you to see. You see this neck, this neck right here. There used to be a tag here. There used to be a tag that is around this place. I don't know if you were a fan of Skin Perfectors, you know that what I'm saying is true. There used to be a tag here, and the color was not like this. The color was not as dark as this. Okay, was not as dark as this. Right now in the market, they have three colors for this more white Skin Perfector serum, which I don't really trust some of the colors, but for this one that is close to the former one, I trust this color. Okay, I mean, it does not have the seal. I've used this and I've used the other one, the one that looks like lemon, like that kind of lemon color. I've used it and I don't like the results, so that's why I go for this or the one that is lighter than this color, but not that lemon one, please. Not that lemon one. I don't use that one. I don't. Okay, so when it comes to Skin Perfector serum, I use Skin Perfector serum for my body scrub. I use them for body lotions, and I also add them to facial cream. The reason why I add them to facial cream, some of my customers that are having discolorations on their face, Skin Perfector serum also help in blending their face, blending their skin, and making their skin uniform. That's the truth. That's the truth about this more white Skin Perfector serum. And let's go to the next one. So if you love this video already, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos, just in case you're interested in getting any skincare products, hair care products. I sell skincare products, organic, synthetic, whatever skincare products you want. I sell all of them in wholesale and retail and deliver worldwide. So let's go to the next Skin Perfector serum. So the next the sun is out. Wow, I love it. Yeah. Sorry if I'm laughing on this video. I'm using natural light, so when the sun comes out, it just make my skin pop, and I love it. So the next Skin Perfector on my list is the new white egg yolk Skin Perfector clarifying exclusive whitenizer. Okay, it says a lightening and whitening in 5 days. In 5 days. This egg yolk Skin Perfector serum, I feel is very good. This is my second love when it comes to Skin Perfector serum. I love this a lot. More might used to be my first, but now it's no longer my first, and I've told you why. So this is the second. I'm going to show you the one I love more. Okay, and this is the second that I love. I love this so much. This, they said it's help for freckles, but I don't know. I don't really try to do freckles, and for blemishes, yes. And to spot this egg yolk, it really help. Okay, for dark areas, it helps. Discoloration, it helps moisturizing and helps fade. It helps. This is really good. This look like kind of like lemon inside. Okay, this is an empty pack, but just hold on. I feel like I have one right here. Right here. Okay, I have a whole lot of them. So this is how it looks like inside. Then let me just come closer. For this egg yolk Skin Perfector serum, if it's not this color, please do not buy. If it's not like this, do not buy. I repeat, if it's not having this kind of yellowish beautiful color, do not buy it. Make sure it's like this. Make sure it's shining like this. Make sure it's looking so beautiful, because it's beautiful. Make sure it's as beautiful as this before you buy it. You can use this to mix your body cream, your body scrub, and a little bit for your sunburn recipe. Yes, for those of you that are my students, and for those that are into skincare and you know how to make sunburn recipes a lot, add this to your sunburn recipe. It will help you. It helps. Okay, it helps. I'm not going to come here to lie to you. It helps. And the next one on my list is yeah, BH7 Gold Whitenizer Skin Perfector Serum. Honey, lovelies. See, when it comes to my best, this is my best Skin Perfector Serum. It's kind of like faint. You can hardly see through. But let me just come closer. Let's come closer. Have a closer look at how it looks like. Okay, I know it will be very hard for you to see, but this is how it looks like inside. It's having this lemon beautiful color. It's not as dark as the egg yolk. It's not as dark as the egg yolk, but yes, this is very good. Like, this is good. I love this. I love this overall. Might not be what you like. What I love might not be what you love, but honey, I love this a lot, and I love this so much. Okay, it's helped with fading, moisturize your skin, helps with, in fact, this is just so good. I feel it's not common because sometimes I walk around in the market before I can find this. I have to like search, look for this a lot before I can get this DH7 Skin Perfector Serum, and this is very, very, really good. It's good. Okay, it's really good. So there's a recipe I tried back then when I have not gotten to this complexion that I am right now. I was like kind of like brown. This recipe I tried, I'm going to tell you the recipe right now. The recipe I used Abon. If you haven't watched my Abon video, check it out. This is check it out. Okay, link will be on the description box. Check the Abon video out. Abon is a very nice lotion. Like, it's a very, very good lotion. So what I used then, I did not use DH7, but recently I tried it again with DH7 and it was still bomb. So what I used then was I used the More White Skin Perfector Serum. Okay, More White Skin Perfector Serum. I used 2 Amos White tube. Listen attentively. If you're into skincare or you just want your skin to be that beautiful brown looking skin, not that dark brown, light brown, kind of like a little bit kind of gold, yes, this is what you should use. I use Skin Perfector Serum. Okay, Skin Perfector Serum, one of it. You can use 2 of it if you're using 500 ml lotion. If you're using 500 ml lotion, use 2 Skin Perfector Serum, use 2 Amos White tube, use quarter, okay, of Labijanis treating oil, and you are good to go. I repeat, 2 Skin Perfector serums, 2 Amos White tube, quarter of Labijanis treating oil, okay, quarter of Labijanis treating oil, and your Abon lotion, 500 ml of your Abon lotion. The Abon I used there was Abon collagen, and it worked very, very well on my skin, and it really feels good. I need you guys to like try it out and see how it will look like on your skin. For those who are brown, not for whitening, please. Not for those who want to like get white, but you want to have that beautiful, nice moisturized, blend skin, no discoloration whatsoever. Try that recipe out, you would love it. And you can also sell it too. You can sell it. So the last one on my list is the White Express Skin Perfector Serum. Okay, it said exclusive Skin Perfector serum, instant clear face in 7 days. This is specifically for the face. Okay, I've not tried this for body lotion, but I've used this for scrub and it worked very well on scrub. And you can also try this for your face because it helps very well. This is for, okay, I use this to some kind of skin. Okay, if you are having that kind of sensitive skin, you're not allowed to use this. Okay, if you're having a very sensitive skin, I don't use this for you. Okay, you know I make customized skincare products, so you tell me what you want and I make what you want for you. So for those that have sensitive skin, I don't really use this for someone with a sensitive skin, just because I found out that it has it's kind of make the skin look somehow. Okay, it's not giving you that blend that I want. Even if you're having a very good recipe and you add this to your body cream and you're having a sensitive skin, it's not going to give you that that perfect skin that you want. You know, there are some recipes you make and you add just one thing to it and it spoil it. Okay, you add just one thing to your perfect recipe and it will spoil it. So if you add this to your recipe and you are trying to like make a whitening lotion and add this to it, and the person have a sensitive skin, it's not going to work very well. But the person is not having a sensitive skin, yes, this would work very, very well on the person's skin. It's going to help blend the person's skin. The person is not having sensitive skin, and yes, it's a whitening skin perfector. Okay, it's a whitening skin perfector. It helps to like kind of like it boosts the whitening effect of whatever you're making. It boosts the whitening effect of your lotion, it boosts the whitening effect of your scrub, and it boosts it. It really, really helps. I'm not going to come here to tell you trash. It helps if you have a very nice recipe and you add this to it. So if you add your glycerin, you add this to it, honey, it will help you a lot. Like, it will go a long way to help you. So that's it for this video. I've come to the end. These are the skin perfector serums that I've tried. I'm not going to come here to tell you the ones that I've not used. Okay, these are the ones that I've used, and these ones, they work very, very well. They work perfectly. They moisturize the skin. They blend the skin, honey. They blend the skin so well, so good, and you will love it. Okay, they blend the skin so good. So to this video, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel and you watch up to this part, please please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel because it means a whole lot to me. In fact, it means a lot to me. So lovely still. I see you in my next video. In my next video that will be coming very soon. I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.